everyone, recap time. I'm Kenny.
Allison.
All right, we're gonna turn it around. Charleston rhythm, you ready?
Yep.
Hey ho, here we go. Rock, step, kick, double kick. A rock, step, kick, double kick. One more time, and let's do a flashy kick. Rock, step, kick, and kick. Rock, step, kick, kick, kick. Yeah, we can also reach down to the ground, or double stomp it out. And just remember, we are doing these solos. They might be a little bit call and response, might be a little lead follow, but really we're just trying to bring our own voice into the dance there as we're kind of just leading and following and just dancing our thing. All right, talked about slows, quicks, slow, slow, rock, step, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, and letting that rhythm carry us. Rock, step, kick, rock, step, inside turn, or pass by. And then we talked about from Charleston, we can offer the hand, we can get down,
Hip.
hip, hooray, to accent that tuck turn, and then kind of dance into things, and we can do that into the ground, earthy rhythm, 6 count little thing right there, and we can also get into some Charleston figures and max it out. Boom. Saw some leaders play with going under the arm, and then we had a little shake and break action. Shoot.
Rock, step.
Boom, boom, boom. Shoot,
Step.
and that's our recap.
Thank you.
Hey-o. All right, we're gonna play another song.